Hello and welcome back to the channel Hard-to-Set-Info, and today I will show you how to unsubscribe from AliExpress. Open AliExpress application on your phone and go to your account at the bottom right corner of your screen, and in the top right corner tap gear icon. This is settings. Now find notification settings and go to email subscriptions. So here you can see different kind of emails that you can receive, and here you can custom them so you can decide which exactly email notifications you want to receive and which you don't want to receive. So in order to disable some kind of email notifications, all you have to do is just move the slider to the left like this and confirm your decision by tapping yes button, just like this. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.